I don't agree with old school financial advice. Saving 1000 in cash, paying off your mortgage while sleeping on the floor, or driving a 20-year-old car to save money, or pay off your children's student loan, that doesn't work anymore. Because unless you understand the three big buckets of wealth and 10 steps to financial freedom, which I will reveal in this video, your money plan will stay stuck on paper. Now, don't get me wrong, making a plan, having a budget, or saving your money in a bank account are all good habits. But here is the truth, those things alone will not make you financially free. Most people do everything right on paper, yet they are still struggling. Because real financial freedom isn't built on small habits, it's built on structure. You need to have three big buckets in your life, and once you understand this, everything will change. These are the same three pillars every financially free person builds on, and they are the foundation of my 10 steps to financial freedom. We'll reveal them soon, but first, let us start with step number one. Hi, welcome to Road to Financial Freedom and Early Retirement, your guide to building wealth, achieving financial independence, and retiring early. This channel is all about growing your net worth towards $2 million and earning towards 200,000 per year through smart investing. In addition, this channel is also all about building monthly income with high quality dividend stocks, ETFs, and options, and sharing news, analysis, and lifestyle tips to help you make smarter financial decisions. Join us on this journey to financial freedom, early retirement, and living life on your terms. With this one, let's dive into our 10 steps of financial freedom. Step number one, you must have heard this many times, save your first $1,000. My advice, just don't save it, invest your first 1000. Most people believe the first step to financial freedom is saving your first 1000 in a bank account, but that's old advice. In today's world, that 1000 just sits there losing value to inflation. Instead, your first 1000 should work for you. Put it in a broad low cost index fund like the S&P 500 ETF. Examples include SPY, VOO, or QDTA. This represents the top 500 US companies, giving you instant diversification and an average long term return of around 10% per year. This isn't just about money, it's about developing an ownership mindset. Even a small amount invested today can grow exponentially over the time. But what if you don't have 1000 right now? Don't wait. Start small but consistent. Invest $5 a week. That's the price of a coffee. Over a year, that's $260. If you start at age 20 and keep going to 65, that tiny habit could grow into roughly 186,000 at a 10% annual return. So don't focus on what you don't have. Focus on starting. This table shows what will happen if you just invest 1000 just one time. There's row number 1 at the age of 20. Duration is 45 years and return is 10%. Your future value at age 65 will be 72,890. The second row is 1000 per year. So you start at 20 and you end at 65 and duration is 45 years. At 10% return, you will have $717,000. And what happens if you just invest $5 per week? Starting from age 20 for 45 years at 10%, your total savings will be 186,000. That's 1000 you invest today can be worth over 70,000 by retirement without adding a single dollar more. Whether it's a 1000 today or $5 a week, what matters is what you is that you start. Because money doesn't grow in a savings account, it grows where it is invested.